How to organize my business and leisure trips without hundreds of clicks. This really stresses me out.
What about bazaar travel?
Hello, nice meeting you. We are Bazaar Travel, your travel marketplace and app. We are here to help you with your business and leisure travel. Or a mix of them, leisure. We will follow you in all your travel journey, assisting you in all steps of the way. Since your inspiration momentum, until you be safely back home or even more. All content for your travel arrangements, supported and connected by digital technologies. Embracing diversity and inclusion by making your time travel really fascinating. The AI capture what really matters to you, meaning your unique preference. We are a sustainable business platform, with a win-win approach. A distribution channel for all travel providers and travel-related products. Do not forget to consider Bazaar Travel on your next trip. We are here to meet, understand, and fascinating you.